you seen this cool action toy AI image that are popping up all over social media like Instagram, Facebook and more? And today I show you how easy make that AI image use only free ChatGPT. Let's go. Now we jump for free ChatGPT. We will need one photo and a prompt what we give to the ChatGPT what he must to do with the photo. That we on the plus here we touching and apply it from computer. That I choose the photo what I prepare for show you how I do this. We'll see what the ChatGPT will be do with this photo. We have already the photo. Now we give the text. I prepare some text before. You can copy this. I little only change the letter because it's few mistake here, and you can use the same. You can use different what you want. My text is like use this image to create of action figure toy of a photographer in a blister package from head with accessory including a camera, studio light, softbox, umbrella, tripod, salad, lens. The package should read Fotoinshadow Food Photographer Woman. Because my company is Fotoinshadow and I am a woman, I am photographer, I want on this photo, I want to show this my specialization, and we wait. Sometimes it's like few minutes, sometimes it's few seconds and the photo is done, because I tried this before few times and the result was good, really good. I was surprised how quickly work and how looks the photo from only that one comment for the ChatGPT and one photo. This is something new for me, for ChatGPT. I never use. I think for you the same, and we'll see how looks the photo. I think the photo looks nice. I like how looks the photo. I do three different. I didn't use on the first the words woman on the end, that the photo looks like the man. Another, I changed the photo with different t-shirt with this, looks completely different. And I think it's something funny to do with free ChatGPT, and I can show my specialization, share more. People can see what I do straight away when see this image.